Alright ladies, got an update on the truck. Finally got my rock sliders fabricated and installed. Initially my father-in-law was going to fabricate them and weld them on for me, but my mother-in-law had some other issues. She wanted to remodel her kitchen, so he was going to be busy for the next 3 weeks doing that. So I pretty much just found a guy on a Craigslist or OfferUp or something. He had a welding business that he runs. I called him up and he came over and met with me and did some measurements, and he fabricated them for me and actually saved me a lot of money. He did the whole job. I paid him $100 for material and $350 on labor. That's including install, all the cuts, all the welds. He did. I painted it myself though. So for $450, I got welded, custom fabricated rock sliders installed. So here it is. Came out pretty good. It's got like a 2-inch little kick up there. Square. The frame of it is made with square tubing. The kick up is round tubing, and it's actually welded into the frame. But very pleased with it. Came out pretty good. He capped it all off. He actually did a miter cut, where he cut it up top, and then instead of it just sitting on the flange part, he mitered it in, so it's a little bit better stability, a little bit better weight, and it makes a little bit stronger connection. So this pipe is actually mitered on all the way around on the other side too. Then he capped it off, but there it is. Came out pretty good. Pretty happy with it. So not too bad for $450 custom rock sliders. So here's a shot underneath where he welded into the frame. We have 3 of these brackets welded in, and he pretty much left this open so that way water from the top can come out through the bottom and not just be trapped in there, because he couldn't weld it from the top because of the access. So he left this open. That way there's no water buildup in there. So there it is. Not too bad. 3 of those. And then here's another, like a little center bracket that he mitered in as well. So overall, really happy with it. Came out pretty darn good. $450, welded in rock sliders. Here's the other side. So custom fabricated welded on rock sliders for the 2005 Nissan Frontier. Really happy with it. And of course there's my bed rack. So truck's coming along nicely. Alright ladies.